All right, now I have to redeem myself. Now I have to redeem myself. Patty, allow me to.
Wait. We should let the professional teach you how to pour. Okay, you've already messed up so many beers.
I kind of don't think it was entirely my fault, but okay.
Yes. Come on, Daisy, can you please teach him?
Walk me through it again.
Oh, but the taste is so nice. It's so refreshing.
Really?
It's light, fruity.
Okay.
Yes.
I mean, the best way not to mess with him is
To mess
just
with
like,
him.
or just put it in, like drink
Just
it
drink straight out of the bottle.
Right.
Yeah, but if we want to, smell some more aroma,
Go just a few seconds. I'll try to keep
Yes,
up.
okay.
tilt it a
I'm gonna
little
get the
bit.
angle.
Tilt it.
Go ahead. I'm gonna,
Roughly
don't mind me,
45 degrees.
Roughly, that's way more than 45.
Yeah.
Miss.
Roughly, pour
Okay.
it gently.
Okay, so you're aiming for that little dip right there. Okay,
Yeah.
stop. Let me try.
Okay,
Finish,
let him
finish.
do it, let him do it.
Because at this point, she's about poured half the beer. So, there we go. And then you want a
then
little
tilt
bit
it
of
straight back
head.
up.
Oh my God, yay!
Yay!
Perfect pour.
I had some crutches. Thank you.
Thank you, Daisy. Thank you for saving our stomach. Otherwise, I burp and burp. Thank you.
Right. Oh, that's crisp. Oh, that's
It's
crisp.
perfect for summer.
Right.
I just saw myself in a music fest.
Yeah.
like-
Outdoors. There's a breeze. The sun is out. You're like
Yes.
there's music in the background.
So light, perfect for summer. Yeah.
Oh wow, that's a very lovely beer.
Look how happy
Wow.
we are now.
Yeah. I never. Who knew beer made you so happy?
Yes, but now I think during this episode we kind of get more to know that how difficult it is to really
is.
craft
Right.
a handmade beer.
But I also am kind of astounded by how many different types of craft breweries have kind of sprouted up in
Yes,
Taiwan with
yes.
this kind of new vigor and energy to just like try new things and make new drinks. It's been really inspiring.
To me, they're like artisans, they're scientists, and they're engineers.
Oh,
There's a real engineer there.
right, he's like a mechanical engineer.
Electrical.
Oh, sorry,
Right?
electrical engineer.
Oh my God. So it's actually needed very precise. You need some, artistic brain cells
Right,
inside,
right.
imagination, and some precise measuring.
Right.
Otherwise, you'll screw up.
It's alchemy. It's
Yes.
magic.
So you love craft beer, and after this
do.
episode,
Do
you
you?
must have. Yes, I'm in love with their creation.
So now you know what to order next time you go out.
Do I?
Dong dong.
Get
So
along
what
dong.
do I say if I want to order this beer? This is a kind of, what's it called?
This would be a lager, an
Lager,
American lager.
American lager.
American lager.
Okay.
Thank you guys so much today for taking us on this journey and teaching us about different kinds of beers and the stuff we can kind of find in Taiwan.
Yes, so guys, if you come to Taiwan, our beer is super international. Our people are super nice. So just come and, pick a bar, just
Yeah.
walk in, and you'll have really, really nice surprises.
Come find us. Let's grab a drink.